Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to enable and use picture-in-picture mode on Windows Media Player. So with that being said, let's get started. To use the feature, you have to play the video file using Windows Media Player. For that, right-click on Media File, then click on Open With, and here you can select Media Player. Now to enable picture-in-picture mode, on the Media Player controls, you will find an icon called Mini Player. Click on it, or else you can simply press Ctrl+M and it will play the video file in floating window. As you can see, you can drag this media player anywhere on the screen. When you open another application, it will always stay on the top. You can also use picture-in-picture mode with Windows Movie and TV application. For that, right-click on the media file, then click on Open With and select Movies and TV application. Here you will get an icon called Play in Mini View. Simply click on it and it will enable the picture-in-picture mode. To disable it, you can simply click on the same icon. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.